Hello everyone, this is Randy with Finding Financial Hope. So I want to talk to you about life insurance today. The first thing, before I get into the ins and outs of life insurance, I want to walk you through why you need life insurance and how I believe that life insurance is not a permanent thing. You do not need it for all your life. Okay, so why you need life insurance is because you want your family taken care of. So if you're in the middle of paying off debt, the last thing you want to do is pass away and have your family still have that debt hanging over their head. So have insurance that just covers that. Make sure that they don't have any debt going out and your funeral expenses are paid for, all that. Your number one priority is take care of your family. So insurance is one way that you just take care of your family. The second thing, I don't believe that insurance is for your whole entire life. If you run this plan out and you pay off debt and you start investing 15% towards retirement and you pay off your home early, all of these things combined, you will be self-insured at some point in time and you will not need insurance. Doesn't mean you still can't have insurance. It just means that you don't need it and you'll be self-insured and you'll be good to go. So I don't believe that you need whole life insurance or permanent life insurance. I just don't believe that. I believe that if you walk this plan, you will essentially be self-insured. So now I'm going to walk you the ins and outs of permanent insurance. So permanent insurance is for your whole entire life. It has a savings and investment plan wrapped up inside of it that makes about average 5 or 6%. So not that good on investment, and you actually don't see any of that money till about 5 years into the policy, to which it spits it into a cash value pocket, basically. And you can pull that money out, but if you pass away in that time, you can't put that money back, or your beneficiary doesn't put that money back in time, that will ding you with a huge amount of interest on the whole entire money you have there. So for one, it's not that good of an investment product, only makes you about 5 or 6%, 2% higher than inflation, the average inflation. And two, there's kind of some catches with you pulling your money out there. And then three, this is the biggest catch of them all. You don't get to take both your coverage and your cash value when you pass away, or I guess your beneficiary doesn't. You get to choose one or the other, or your beneficiary gets to choose one or the other. So either they take your $500,000 in coverage or they take your cash value, whatever it is. So all that investing you've been doing, all that extra you put towards premiums you've been doing, is just wasted. You don't see any of that money. It's not going to your beneficiaries. You just get your coverage. That's it. So all in all, as it's packaged, it's not very good. So this is why I recommend term insurance. Term insurance is just a term in your life. So basically it's from 5 years to about 35 years. That's the average they take it for. It's a lot cheaper, and I'm going to walk you through how much cheaper. I'm using myself as an example. I have $500,000 in coverage. I have term insurance. It costs me about $40 per month for my term insurance. And if I took that same amount of coverage, 35 years, $500,000, and put it into a whole life plan or universal life plan, I kind of average them all out, it would cost me $170 per month. So I'm saving $130 per month alone doing this. And this does two things for me. If I was in the stage of getting out of debt, now I can put that extra $130 I'm saving right towards debt and pay off debt quicker. Then when I get to the investment stage of this whole thing, get to the investment stage of this whole entire thing where I'm investing 15% into retirement, I can actually add to that 15% $130 per month, which is going to get me self-insured a lot quicker. And then after that, pay off my house. If I want to put an extra $130 towards my house every month, I can do that. No problem. The thing is, that savings of $130 gets me self-insured quicker. and gets me living my life faster, gets me out of debt quicker, gets me investing more, and gets me self-insured quicker. So, simple thing to remember is buy term and invest the rest. I'm cheering for you all.